case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a haunting 1987 legal case that transcended medical controversy and ethical dilemmas, a terminally ill pregnant woman stood at the center of a battle that arguably challenged the boundaries of personal rights and state interests. The District of Columbia Court of Appeals found itself grappling with a complex predicament. At stake were the lives of both the woman and her oxygen-starved fetus. The medical narrative of the case was seated in a precarious quandary. The hospital aimed at leveraging a medical procedure to mitigate the woman's agony while continuing the pregnancy, whereas she, in her willingness to risk her own life for the potential survival of the fetus, declined. Physicians remained divided, and a clear consensus on the apt course of action remained elusive. On June 16, 1987, a gravity-stricken tale unfolded as George Washington University and the hospital, in search of clarity amidst the muddled medical ethics, sought a declaratory order from the Superior Court to determine the legitimacy of subsequent actions to protect the unfortunate fetus. The court, in an unprecedented ruling, ordered a Caesarean section to be performed on the woman in order to safeguard the potential life of her yet-to-be-born child. This decision was reached despite the widely accepted medical understanding that neither mother nor baby were likely to survive the dramatic surgery. Challenging this ruling, an appeal was swiftly launched. However, the tides of time proved unforgiving. The operation took place before the appeal could be heard, and sadly, both the mother and the child passed away shortly after the procedure. Ultimately, the appellate court ruled in favor of the original decision. While it acknowledged the mother's constitutional rights, it justified overriding them given the unique and compelling circumstances, detailing the precedents of the unborn child's and the state's compelling interests. In its conclusion, the court expressed empathy for the family's profound loss and commended the counsel's efforts. It further highlighted the case's necessity for ethical guidance in such complex situations and warned against negating professional medical judgments. The case underscored the gravity of state interventions in personal medical decisions, leaving a lasting mark on the annals of case law history.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.